Many students get scared when they see a long expression in the question, especially expression like this. They may feel this is too big, I can't understand this, I should skip this question. This fear is very common, not because of the question is difficult, but because of the final expression looks big. In today's video, we are going to break that fear. So let's start with the original series, which is 1 plus 4 over 5 plus and so on. So let's take that. From this original series, now first observe only the numerator, which we have 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on, isn't it? So it is in AP. The first term is A1 is 1, the common difference is 3. So if you want to find the nth term of this numerator series, so AN equal to A1 plus N minus 1 into D. So the A1 is 1 plus D is 3, so that is 3n minus 3, which gives 3n minus 2. So for the numerator, the nth term is 3n minus 2. Same like that, let's go and find the nth term for the denominator. So what's the denominator? Here we have a 5 raised to the power of 2. That means here we have a 5 raised to the power of 1 and here we have a 5 raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So we can write 5 over 0 as the first term. So what we have 5 over 0, 5 raised to the power of 1, 5 raised to the power of 2 and so on. It is in GP. The first term is 5 power 0 is nothing but 1. So the first term is 1. The common difference R is 5 power 2 divided by 5, which is only 5. So the common difference is 5. So it is in GP. So what is the formula for nth term? So AN equal to A times R raised to the power of n minus 1. So the A1 is 1 times 5 power n minus 1. The given original series nth term is going to be 3n minus 2, that is the numerator, divided by denominator is 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. So this is the nth term for the given original series. Let us consider this series as SN. Whenever the numerator is in AP and denominator is GP, then the series becomes AGP, isn't it? Most of the students are comfortable up to here. They don't know what to do next. Simply you have to do multiply by 1 by 5 on both sides. Then we are going to get Sn over 5, that is equal to 1 over 5 plus 4 over 5 raised to the power of 2, 7 over 5 raised to the power of 3 and so on. The last term is 3n minus 2 divided by 5 times 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. So it becomes only 5 raised to the power of n. So now what we do? Subtract this 5n over 5 from 5n. So then we are going to get Sn minus Sn over 5. If we do this, we are going to get. So what is Sn says? 1 plus 4 over 5 plus 7 over 5 over 2 and so on. The last term is 3n minus 2 over, this is the Sn series, minus 1 over 5 plus 4 over 5 power 2 and so on up to 3n minus 2 over 5 raised to the power of n. Here 1 plus, here what we have? We have 4 over 5. Here we have 1 over 5. So these two become 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5, which gives 3 over 5. Plus, here we have 7 over 5 power 2. Here we have 4 over 5 power 2. So here we have a minus, that's why 7 over 5 power 2 minus 4 over 5 power 2. So which gives 3 over 5 power 2. 3 over 5 power 2 plus 3 over 5 power 3 and so on. 3 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. So here we have a minus, so minus into, here the nth term plus, it become only minus. So what is the left? The last term is going to be 3n minus 2 over 5 raised to the power of n. So this is the first term and this is the second term and this is the third term. The second term is n minus 1 terms, right? So this is the first term and the second term is up to n minus 1 terms. The last term is nth term. So after subtracting Sn over 5 from Sn, we got these 3 terms. The second term is up to n minus 1 terms. So now we need to find this n minus 1 terms summation. Let's take only the second term, which is 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5 power 2 and so on up to 3 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. So each and every term we have a 3. So let's take it 3 as common. So we are going to get this. We need to find only this n minus 1 terms. Observe this, it is in sum of the GP form, isn't it? So what is the formula for the sum of the GP form? The formula is S equal to A times 1 minus R raised to the power of n over 1 minus R. Here A is nothing but 1 over 5, the first term. Then R is 1 over 5. Number of terms is n minus 1. So that's why you need to take not n, you need to take n minus 1. So now substitute. So A is 1 over 5. Then 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1 divided by 1 minus R is 1 over 5. So after subtracting the denominator, we are going to get 4 over 5 here. So this 4 over 5, if you write it here, you are going to get 5 over 4. This 5 gets cancelled. So we left only 1 over 4 times 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. And here we have a 3. So let's take 3 here. So the second term is going to be 3 over 4 times 1 minus 1 over 5 power n minus 1. So this is going to be 3 over 4, 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. This is n minus 1 term, and nth term is 3n minus 2 by 5 power n. In the left hand side, Sn minus Sn over 5. After taking the LCM, it is going to be 4 by 5 Sn. But we need to find Sn, not 4 over 5 Sn. That's why just simply multiply both sides by 5 over 4. So then it's become 5 over 4, and here become 5 over 4, and here also 5 over 4. Here 4, 4 and 5 gets cancelled. So left hand side we left only Sn. And the right hand side, 3 times 5 which is 15, 4 times 4 which is 16. So here we are going to get 15 over 16 times 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. In the numerator we have a 5, and denominator we have 5 raised to the power of n. So we can write this as 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. Denominator, this 4 if you write at front, it is going to be 4 times 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. Finally we got Sn as 5 over 4 plus 15 over 16 times 1 minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of n minus 1 minus 3n minus 2 over 4 times 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. We are getting this as Sn. Now observe the given expression. What we have, L plus 15 over 16, 1 minus 1 over Sn minus 1 minus. It looks everything is same. So when you compare this long expression with this Sn, simply we can say that the L is going to be 5 over 4. So what's the given question? We need to find 4L. So then 4L, that is equal to only 5. That's the answer. Instead of being scared of long expressions, look at their structure. The moment you recognize the pattern, AB is in numerator, the GP is in the denominator, the entire question becomes easy. That's it. If you enjoyed this video and want more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to make more useful content. Thanks for watching.